What makes a military drone truly exceptional? Today, we're counting down the world's top 5 military UAVs that are reshaping modern warfare. From affordable game-changers to multi-million-dollar surveillance giants, these unmanned aerial vehicles represent the cutting edge of military technology. If today is your first time watching us, kindly subscribe and get our daily update. Now let's dive in. Starting from number 5, Heron TP, Israel, we have Israel's Heron TP, also known as the Eaton. This long-endurance reconnaissance platform comes with a price tag of $30 to $35 million. With an operational range of 1,000 kilometers, the Heron TP is designed for extended surveillance missions. Israel Aerospace Industries created this versatile platform to provide persistent intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities. What sets the Heron TP apart is its ability to operate at high altitudes for over 24 hours continuously. It can carry multiple sensor payloads and has proven its worth in real-world operations. The Israeli Defense Forces rely heavily on this platform for both reconnaissance and precision strike missions. Number 4, CAIG Wing Loong 2, CHINA. China's CAIG Wing Loong 2 offers incredible value at just $2 to $4 million. Don't let the price fool you. This is a highly capable combat drone. With a 1,500-kilometer operational range, the Wing Loong 2 has become one of China's most successful drone exports. It's operated by multiple countries across the Middle East, Africa, and Asia. This medium-altitude, long-endurance UAV can carry precision-guided munitions and features advanced avionics. What makes it particularly attractive to international buyers is its cost-effectiveness combined with combat-proven reliability. China has successfully positioned the Wing Loong 2 as an affordable alternative to Western drones, and it's gaining significant market share globally. Number 3, we have Bayraktar TB2, TURKEY. Coming in at number 3 is Turkey's Bayraktar TB2, which has become a household name in military circles. At approximately $5 million, it's revolutionized the drone warfare landscape. The TB2 has an operational range of 300 kilometers, which might seem modest compared to others on this list, but this drone has proven devastatingly effective in multiple conflicts. From Syria to Libya, from Nagorno-Karabakh to Ukraine, the Bayraktar TB2 has demonstrated exceptional combat effectiveness. Its success comes from the perfect combination of affordability, reliability, and precision strike capability. Turkey's Baykar Defense has created a drone that's accessible to smaller militaries while maintaining professional-grade performance. The TB2's combat record speaks for itself, making it one of the most influential military drones of the 2020s. Number 2, RQ-4 Global Hawk, USA. We have the United States RQ-4 Global Hawk, the most expensive drone on our list at a staggering $130 million. But those numbers tell a story of unmatched capability. The Global Hawk boasts an incredible operational range of 22,780 kilometers. That's right, over 22,000 kilometers. This high-altitude, long-endurance surveillance platform can monitor vast areas for more than 30 hours continuously. Flying at altitudes above 60,000 feet, the Global Hawk provides near satellite-level reconnaissance without the limitations of orbital platforms. Its advanced sensor suite can monitor weather patterns, track ground movements, and provide real-time intelligence to commanders worldwide. The U.S. Air Force uses these platforms for strategic surveillance missions that no other UAV can accomplish. When you need eyes everywhere, the Global Hawk delivers number 1 MQ-9 Reaper, USA. And taking the number 1 spot is the legendary MQ-9 Reaper from the United States. At $32 million, it's the gold standard of combat drones. With an operational range of 1,850 kilometers, the Reaper has become synonymous with modern drone warfare. This isn't just a surveillance platform, it's a hunter-killer that has redefined counter-terrorism operations. The MQ-9 can carry up to 1,700 kilograms of ordnance, including Hellfire missiles and precision-guided bombs. It has accumulated hundreds of thousands of combat hours across multiple theaters of operation. What makes the Reaper truly exceptional is its versatility. It excels at both intelligence gathering and precision strikes. The U.S. military and allied forces rely on the Reaper for critical missions worldwide. Its proven track record, advanced technology, and combat effectiveness make it the world's premier military UAV. General Atomics has created a platform that has fundamentally changed how modern militaries conduct operations. And there you have it, the world's top 5 military UAVs. From the cost-effective Bayraktar TB2 to the supremely capable MQ-9 Reaper, these drones represent the future of military aviation. Which one impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button and subscribe for more military technology content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss our deep dives into defense systems and cutting-edge aircraft. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.